The iPhone 16 is finally here. Apple has packed in some exciting upgrades, a new design, powerful performance, and camera improvements. But is it really worth upgrading? First, let's talk about design. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus now have a fresh look with vertically aligned cameras. Similar to the iPhone X, Apple has introduced 5 new colors: black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine. The display: the same 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR screens, but with improved brightness and energy efficiency. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 runs on the new A18 chip, making it faster and more power efficient than ever. It handles gaming, multitasking, and AI-powered features smoothly. Battery life is also improved. The iPhone 16 lasts up to 22 hours, while the Plus model stretches to 27 hours of video playback. Now, the cameras: the iPhone 16 still has a dual camera system, but with a 48MP main sensor, bringing better low-light performance and sharper details. The front camera also gets upgrades for better selfies and AI-enhanced portrait shots. And of course, Apple's photonic engine makes colors and details pop. One of the biggest changes: the action button replaces the old mute switch. It's fully customizable. You can use it for shortcuts, camera, voice memos, or even launching apps instantly. Plus, iOS 18 brings new AI-powered features, making Siri smarter than ever. Now, the big question: should you upgrade? If you're using an iPhone 14 or older, the iPhone 16 offers a solid upgrade. But if you have an iPhone 15, you might want to wait for the iPhone 17. The starting price? Around $799 for the iPhone 16 and $899 for the Plus model. So, what do you think about the iPhone 16? Are you upgrading or waiting for next year? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.